Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install TiviMate on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to step 1. And from there, we'll go to step 2. So it'll be a 2-step process. Step 1 is going to be ensuring we can download and install apps from unknown sources. Step 2 will be downloading and installing the app with APK time. So head over to step 1, quick settings, and then all settings. From all settings, navigate over to you find system. Click on system and you go to about. So under about, click on that, go over to the bottom of that page and you find build number. Click on the build number 7 times and this will enable developers options. When developers options are enabled, you'll be able to download and install apps from unknown sources. So I'm clicking on this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now developers options will be enabled. Now that developers options are enabled, you can download and install apps from unknown sources and download and install unknown apps. From there, you can proceed to step 2. Now in step 2, we're going to be using the APK Time app. I have a video showing you how to download and install this app on the Chromecast. So just download, install the app and then open it. So when it comes to APK Time, launch the application and go down to the category that says players and browsers. Click on that. And just hop over to the bottom. So almost at the bottom, you're going to find the TiviMate application. And you want to download the application and then head over to installing it. So right there you see TiviMate. I have this already downloaded. So click on the download button and that'll begin the download. When it's done downloading, you could find the install button. So now that I've already downloaded it, this is how the app is going to stage and then you have this install button. You also see a message here saying enable unknown sources if it's your first time. So just navigate over to the APK Time app and click on allow to enable it, download and install an app from an unknown source or an unknown application. When you're done, you find this install button, click on install and it's going to install. So the app is done installing. I'll just click on open to launch it and there you go. So if you found that insightful, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.